Can you accurately mark the square root 2 on a number line without the help of a calculator or measurements? Can you solve this? Let's solve step by step. Draw a horizontal line and marking a point as O. Using a scale, measure 1 unit along the horizontal line and mark this point as A. Ensure that the distance OA equals 1 unit. From point A, use the scale to measure 1 unit vertically upwards. Mark this point as B, so that AB equals 1 unit. Now, you have a right triangle OAB, with OA as the base, AB as the height, and OB as the hypotenuse. Calculate OB using Pythagorean Theorem. By the theorem, OB square equals OA square plus AB square. Substituting the values. OB square equals 1 square plus 1 square equals 2. Therefore, OB equals square root 2. Take a compass and place the pointer at O. Adjust the pencil to reach point B. Draw an arc from O that intersects the horizontal line. The point where the arc intersects the number line represents square root 2.